Okay, welcome back to the Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart Let's Play with me, the oddball gamer. Odd is an AUD because I love all things ears, and I'm an audiologist. How great is that? So things have not gone well. Ratchet and Clank are apart once again, per usual, in their adventures, and we don't know where we are.
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Maybe you should lay off the hard oil. Oh, goodness. Okay, let's go up.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Probably not.
Welcome to the nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Oh, sorry. Okay, nope. We can still glide. Okay. What's over here? This is crazy. It's probably where we land when we get a ship again. Oh, nice.
Hey, Lomax!
You think those purple roofs are a resistance pod? I hope the Emperor will keep us safe. Unless the Emperor created them to strike back at those miscreants.
Oh.
The roofs are a punishment for us
Hmm.
citizens providing insufficient loyalty.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? The Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Hmm.
Now,
As you explore the planet, collectibles and other points of interest will be revealed on your map. Interesting. Okay, we need raritanium, optional objective. You gotta love a good side mission. Okay. Let's see. That's our main objective. This is our optional objective. Okay, we can pin that. Gotta get some rare Ratanium. Well, we can't get it. Okay. Wait, let's look at what else we have over here. Okay, we've got, oh, that's how you zoom and whatnot. Okay, we got our armor. Oh, you found an armor pod. These grant a permanent boost whether you equip them or not. Collect more by completing pocket dimensions, exploring planets, or completing optional content. Okay. We get a helmet. Ooh. Change your appearance by pressing X to equip armor. Press square to customize equipped armor color. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I like. Yeah. We like. Okay. Okay, let's go with it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we've got armor, collectibles. Nothing's collected yet. Okay, weapons, which we know. How do we... Okay, cool. Gadgets. Nice. We didn't take... Oh, back to the gallery. Okay.
You want to bring the party to every fight? Mr. Fun Guy is the weapon for you.
The only weapon who has destroyed Little Zircon's enemies and performed at his last birthday party, Mr. Fun Guy. Just throw him out and he will strike your enemies so hard they will have to deal with his antics. Which is the perfect time for you to join in on the fun.
Listen, Zircon Jr. is giving me life.
Be careful where you put those, hon. Leave it so soon?
Okay. I don't know how we're supposed to get in there.
Already have an Emperor Nefarious tribute statuette in every room? Consider a new weather-resistant model for balcony. Shoplifting is not permitted. Perpetrators will be sent to Zordu prison for immediate rehabilitation.
Okay. So not like that.
Emperor Nefarious collects purchasing data on all subjects.
Okay. Okay, cool. Let's go up here, see what we can find. Oh.
Club Nefarious is not up there, but a resistant spybot is, if that is what you are looking for.
Okay.
Resistant spybot? Sounds useful. Could be worth a look. Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner...
Resistance spybot. Okay. So
we get to Clank.
this is... I'm here for it.
I have been saving my... Watch out!
Oh!
Is among us.
Okay. There's that. Oh. That works.
Caution. Spybot has been sighted on the loading platform of the factory. Please do not approach until our cleaning squads have located and eradicated this threat to the Empire.
Huh.
Eradicated? I better head to the loading platform fast.
Oh, there we go. Ah.
Hey, Ratchet Mac, I'm working here. We got 1 million Emperor Nefarious commemorative statuettes to ship out tonight, plus that missing rare Arcanium shipment to find. Tuesday, am I right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Doggone Tuesdays. Shh.
Oh no. Better keep moving.
Okay, that's hot. We don't want to be on there. Oh, we want to go over there. Okay. Okay.
We will prevail!
Or or not.
Bot must have Omega level secrets inside of it or something if everyone's going after it. The loading platform must be just ahead.
Mandatory 23-hour shift policy.
23-hour shift hour.
100%.
Shh. Okay, we gotta go that way.
Please report any coworkers who are falling behind.
How do I get up there? Okay. So let's see. Like such. Okay. And then we come up here. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright. So up here, and then up here, and then up here, and then over here. Ah, okay, so we have to jump over and land again. Okay. Somehow we have to get up there. Alright, let's try this again.
Research shows cramped work environments are
Okay.
great for team building.
Let's try again. Great, great. Okay. Cool. Okay, cool. But now we gotta go back over. I mean, I think we need to get up there. Like such. Okay. Okay, cool. So we need to get up there. No! Oh, fudge. Okay, well, we were doing good. But we did figure out how to get around. So, let's do it again. Dang it! Oh my goodness, friends. Okay, it's okay. We're gonna do it. We did it before. We're gonna do it again. Ooh, okay. That's one way to do it. I'm okay with that. No! Oh, come on! It should not be this hard. Okay, let's try this again. I know you guys are like, bro, if you just don't get this together. I feel the same way. I just... Come on! No, no, no! Oh my... What? Why is this... Oh, and what? How did I even die? How did I even die there? Like, what? Okay, alright, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. This time we're gonna do it. Ooh, ooh! Yes! What I said. I told you we were gonna do it. Okay. Okay, so clearly we need to go this way. Oh, fudge. Okay. Alright. Alright, try again, try again. I know everyone's gonna be like, you took so long to do this. I know I did. What are you stuck on? Listen here, Ratchet. Alright, let's go to where we're supposed to be, okay? Which is over there. At least I think that's what we're supposed to be. Okay, let's go a little this way so we don't get stuck. Cool. Right? Is this where we're supposed to be going? Wait, the gold. Hold on. Where is it? It's over there? Okay, how do we get in there? Did we come through this way? Okay, wait. What is this? Oh, you're over there. Okay. No. Oh, yeah, that's death. That's death. All right, let's try this again. Okay, we gotta go back.
The loading platform must be just ahead.
Yep. How to get over there is the question.
Wait a sec. Security on the horn.
Oh no. Better keep moving.
Well, yeah, that's the plan.
Teamwork is the key to success. Please report any coworkers who are falling behind.
How do I get up there?
How did this get here?
Yes! Yay! It's the least you can do. Alright, now let's go to our main objective. Now that we know what we're doing, after we've done it how many times? Thank you. I don't need to review my objective. I know what to do. 17 hours until your lunch break.
Hello there! Allow me to assist in your transition to imprisonment!
I just assisted into your transition to death. You're welcome.
Research shows cramped work environments are great for teamwork.
Oh.
Many hands make light work. If you only have two, please consider an upgrade.
Rehabilitation incoming.
I assume you didn't mean to do that.
But I did. Yep, I meant it.
Eliminate all trespassers with appropriate prejudice.
What are you? Oh, I'm out.
The target is unlawfully armed. I assume you didn't get to do that.
Nope, I did.
That spybot's mine.
Hopefully.
All right.
You found a resistant spybot! Hooray! They contain intel on different planets and plans for a secret weapon if you collect enough of them!
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
All is building in the known universe. Fun fact, the previous
Goodness, okay. Oh, I had missed a thing. Boo. Alright, we'll go back and get it later.
is currently hurtling towards a black hole.
Oh, okay, there's some... How do I get over there?
Please report any suspicious resistance activity to the nearest security personnel.
Just listen for the beat and you will find the Phantom. See you next time.
Okay, I hear the beat. I hear the beat.
Have you thanked your emperor today? If not, now
Has a delightful sound system these days.
You think those purple rifts are a resistance bomb? I'm on my way, Clank. I just need to find this Phantom guy first.
Queen Excellency, thank you for shopping.
Okay, which way do I need to go? This way? No, to the right.
Already have an for a nefarious
How do I get up there?
shoplifting is not permitted. Perpetrators will be sentenced or imprisoned for immediate rehabilitation.
Club Nefarious. Club Nefarious.
Okay.
Where's Club Nefarious?
This way? Oh, oh, there you. Okay.
Served you. Emperor Nefarious collects purchasing data on all such
That sounds like a club, all right.
That does sound like a club.
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find
What's
Club
over
Nefarious
here?
and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Agreed. But let's go open up different parts of the map.
detention.
Oh, weekly
That
reprogramming.
originator exploding?
Huh.
I'm on my way, Clank. I just need to find this Phantom guy first.
I just...
Now I know what happened to the parade floats.
What is this?
Looks like I got a bounce.
Okay.
Miss you, buddy.
Okay. We're going over there.
Wrong turn and flew off that
Fudge.
non-inflated one.
Parade floats. Perfect. Okay. Boing. I love that that's a trophy. What's this?
Nice. And I think that covers everything here. Nice.
Yes. I'm can change the color. Ooh, this is choice. I'm really liking this burgundy situation. Yep. Alright, well, what do I do now? Ah. Well, where do I go from here? Oh!
Club Nefarious.
Do you think I'll make it over there?
Where's Club Nefarious?
Let's see. Yep. Nice. Well, that was worth it. Oh, we can't go that way. Boo. Well, how do we get into the club? Oh, we gotta jump down?
Emperor's marvelous tower. The tallest building in the known universe. Fun fact, the previous record holder is currently hurtling towards a black hole. Please report any suspicious resistance activity.
Okay, well.
Personnel. Or else.
Drinks are half price with your Club Nefarious membership card.
Oh, are they? What's over here? Oh, how do we get over there? Well, let's go and try to find the Phantom.
Come on, Phantom, where are you?
Hey, okay. I also love music.
Are you the Phantom? Is there a Phantom around here? Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
Badoosh. Get it.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Ah.
Can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Skid!
Is Skid?
Well, that's
Better take care of
unexpected.
these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you.
No names! You've got to be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, dude.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Ooh.
Please stand still.
My frame has been pierced! This will only hurt.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait!
There he is! The fuzzball from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance number! Will they ever... It is fighting!
Now, where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
Yes.
All right, new guy. Try out Phantom Dash.
Love it.
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist.
Here for it.
Jump
Let's.
and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest.
Whoa. Oh, okay. Okay, well, we didn't do a good job at that one. Let's try this again. So cool.
Huh, you quitting already, new guy?
Oh, oh.
Come on. Wall's not gonna bite.
Oh, so
Jump
cool.
and Phantom Dash.
Oh, that was a fail.
You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
Okay. Yeah, we did it.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
It's not safe here. Just stay close.
Okay.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop?
Oh, goodness. Well, now that we've met the Phantom, we've got our next objective. I will see you all in the next episode.